Namaste, Om Namah Shivaya. Today we are diving into the basics of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, a dynamic modern style of yoga rooted in classical Hatha Yoga that links breathing with movements and meditation into one flowing practice. If you are new into Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, this video will be helpful for you, which will guide you. What is Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga? How does it work? And what makes it unique? Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is a modern style of yoga which was popularized by Sri K. Vijaya's in Mysore, India. Vinyasa means to place something in a special manner. If we see Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, the asanas are placed or designed in a special manner. Vinyasa also refers the way we link our breathing with each and every movement. So here Vinyasa is also the yoga flow or sequence to place the asanas one after another with proper breathing and alignment in special way. Put together, Ashtanga Vinyasa is a physically active, breath-driven style of yoga that aims to purify the body, cultivate self-discipline, and also it makes your mind steady. Now let's discuss the key features of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. The first is a set or predefined or fixed sequence. Unlike the other modern yoga styles where the sequence changes daily, Ashtanga Vinyasa follows a fixed series of asanas or postures. In Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, series means a set of predefined asanas. Now it is said that there are several series in Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. Mainly there are three popular series in Ashtanga Vinyasa: primary series, intermediate series and advanced series. In advanced series there are 4 more series depending on the difficulty level A, B, C, D. The primary series is called Yoga Chikitsa or Yoga Therapy. The secondary series is called Nadi Shodhan or the purification of nadis. The third series is called Sthira Bhaga or stability, because it improves your stability. The next features of Ashtanga Vinyasa is breathing and movement. Breathing is connected to each and every movement or each and every asana, and during the practice of entire series in Ashtanga Vinyasa, any series, you have to maintain Ujjayi breathing for the entire duration of the practice. Ujjayi breathing means sound breathing, and it helps to create heat in your body, which helps to detoxify your body, and also it helps to fix your focus. We are inhaling as we lengthen our spine and exhale as we fold or during the transition. Another feature in Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is to adopt Moola Bandha during the practice of entire series. You have to keep adopting Moola Bandha. So Moola Bandha has to be applied throughout the practice, and it makes you lighter, and also Moola Bandha prevents the injury to your rectum or your large intestine. So that's why Moola Bandha is important. And also with Moola Bandha you can stay or hold any asana for a longer time. The next feature is very important, that is Drishti or the gazing point. That is very important. And there are 9 Drishtis or gazing point in Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. And those 9 points are: first is Urdhva Drishti, where you have to gaze upward. Bhrumadhya Drishti, that is gazing at the third eye. Then Nasagra Drishti, gazing at the tip of your nose. Then Hastagra Drishti, gazing at the fingertips. Then Angushtha Madhya Drishti, where we keep our palm together. And then we have to gaze at the middle of our thumb. Then Parshva Drishti. Now there are 2 types of Parshva Drishti. One is Parshva Drishti means where you have to look either to the right side or to the left side. When we are looking or gazing to the right side, it is called Bala. And when we are gazing or looking through the left side, then it is called Eda. Then Navi Chakra Drishti, where you have to look at your navel. And then Pada Yoga Drishti, where you have to gaze at your toes. So these are 9 drishtis, and in different asanas you have to apply different drishtis to keep you concentrated or focused. Now what makes Ashtanga Vinyasa so special? First, it is structured and it is a series, means it is having the set of predefined asanas. It builds stamina, flexibility and strength. If you really want to make your or improve your strength and stamina, then you must practice Ashtanga Vinyasa. And your flexibility, your stamina, your stability, your strength will be improved to the next level. It detoxifies your body. Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga encourages discipline and consistency. Also, Ashtanga Vinyasa is like a moving meditation. Let's talk about the structures of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. First is opening sequence. We have to open or start the sequence or practice or class with opening prayer. Then we practice sun salutation A and B or Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga Yoga Surya Namaskar A and B. Then we have standing postures. These standing asanas or postures develop balance and strength and stability. Then we start practicing the series, whether it is primary, whether it is intermediate or advanced. In the primary series, the standing asanas are Padangushta asana to Virabhadrasana B. Then we have sitting asanas from Dandasana to Setubandhasana. Then we have finishing part, that is Sarvangasana to Utpluti. In intermediate or secondary series, we have Vinyasa A and B, that is Surya Namaskar A and B. Then standing asana, Padangushtasana to Pashottanasana. Then we have sitting asanas from Pashasana to Urdhvamukha Dhanurasana. Then we have finishing sequence from Sarvangasana to Utpluti. And we always end the practice of Ashtanga Vinyasa series with gentle back bends, then inversions and resting poses, which help the body to cool down and integrate the practice. And the style in which we are practicing Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, or which is really popular, is Mysore style. In this format, students practice independently at their own pace, and a teacher gives individual adjustments, and this is called Mysore style. Regular practice of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga helps to improve your balance, your stamina, your strength, stability, flexibility. So the benefits are uncountable. Also, you can improve your focus, discipline and consistency through the practice of Ashtanga Vinyasa. Over time, the regular practice of Ashtanga Vinyasa will support both physical and mental well-being. If you are interested in a yoga practice that is structured, meditative and physically engaging and challenging, Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is a wonderful place to begin. Thanks for watching. If you want to have more videos on Ashtanga Vinyasa, basics or guided practices, you can write in the comment box. Namaste. Om Namah Shivaya.